I've realized the money is not going to be worth it, the cheating is not going to be worth it, and the revenge, you're just going to burn yourself.
थोड़ा serious हो गया ना?
I've always been in love with the person, the human that they are. What they come from, what they do, what they were, it doesn't matter to me.
Hey Baby reunion, फरदीन पहले अक्षय के साथ and अभी रितेश के साथ, मे बी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट में तीनों साथ में दिखेंगे.
True. Yeah. Houseful 5.
Ooh!
There's going to be Abhishek also in it. Akshay and Ritesh are proving to be my lucky charm.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर डैश.
की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू? रमेश बाबू.
कभी खुशी कभी गम. शाहरुख खान.
ओके, हेलो हाय, वेलकम टू फिल्मी ज्ञान. मैं हूँ पूजा नवाते और मेरे साथ इस वक्त है टीम विस्फोट. और इंटरव्यू से पहले बहुत मस्ती हो रही है. फाइनली आपने कलर चूज कर लिया है.
Yes.
क्रिस्टल एंड प्रिया.
मैंने साउंड चूज कर लिया है.
मैंने भी. Louder.
किसी ने कहा कि खास करके ये मेरे लिए लाया है.
Yes. Uber.
मैं Uber ड्राइवर हूँ.
Uber driver. अगर Uber driver इतना hot and sexy हो तो we would always prefer traveling with you, Fardeen. But welcome to Filmi Gyan. And how are you feeling today?
Great. Thank you so much for having me.
A lot of excitement, little bit nervousness.
I loved the trailer. It looks super promising. And I think the story revolves moreover around paisa, revenge, and cheating. So have you ever experienced any of this in real life?
पैसा?
I think only paisa. I don't.
Paisa, cheating, revenge. Yes,
Yeah.
all three.
All three?
Yes.
Would you like to share any story?
No.
Same. Same.
तो बताओ.
Sorry.
पैसे के लिए पैसों के पीछे भागने के लिए कुछ किया है ऐसे?
आज तक कर रहा हूँ. कुछ प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे मेरा पूरा फी चुकाया नहीं है. नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
I was like, okay,
Who has not been
headline.
cheated at some point
Yeah.
in their life? Somebody has quoted you more money than you bought something that's worth more than it actually is. You know, someone has not told you the truth or whatever it is. So it's life.
Yes,
Life would be incomplete.
बिल्कुल. क्रिस्टल आप कुछ कह रही थी?
मैं?
हाँ.
हाँ. I've also experienced all three.
All three.
Yes.
But anything that has transformed your life कि आपको ऐसा experience मिल गया कि अब you know चाहे वो cheating हो, पैसा हो या फिर
I think it's not, all of
three.
it is not worth it.
All three have transformed you.
Yeah, all three, and it's not worth it. I've realized the money is not going to be worth it, the cheating is not going to be worth it, and the revenge, you're just going to, you know, burn yourself, rack your brain, put yourself down in all of, like, to get revenge, or when someone's taking revenge on you. So it's not worth it. That's what I've realized. Don't take yourself so seriously.
है ना, इस पे time waste करना ही नहीं.
Yes.
Priya, for you?
I think मुझे शायद सही रोल मिला है. मैं बचपन में बड़ी cheater थी. I used to cheat a lot in all the games because I always wanted to win.
Oh.
Games.
Games.
खेल में.
और cheating पकड़ी जाती थी तब आप accept कर लेती थी?
No, I used to be very innocent and I used to say मुझे जीतना है तो जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो सही है. Even if it is cheating, I want to win, whatever it is.
Fitting right, perfect for your character.
No, but that's not what Tara
Yeah,
does.
okay.
Yeah, I think she knows what she is doing and there is a reason. उसकी एक खुद की कहानी है, उसके पीछे reasons है why she feels in a certain way. You don't only need paisa and good life in life, okay? You also need attention, you also need love. And if you don't get that enough, then you will go out and look for it. So I am not saying, I'm not defending her, but I think it just opens our mind to see women and their expectations and any human being's expectations from a relationship little differently.
Correct.
थोड़ा serious हो गया ना?
But
It's
true.
deep and true.
But true. Well said.
We can agree to whatever you said. Yeah. So for you?
Yeah, I mean, thankfully ऐसा कुछ बड़ा cheating या कुछ नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ. But maybe I don't, जैसे इन्होंने बोला इतना seriously लेना ही नहीं है. आगे बढ़ना है. When I was younger it was different. तभी you are करके दिखा वो वाला था. But I think as you grow up, you realize that boss इसमें ज़्यादा effort खुद का ही जाने वाला है to sort it out or try to even sort it क्योंकि वो होने नहीं वाला है. It's better to accept that person the way they are and move on. Like, oh, is there? I think then just move on from there. That's easier.
Correct.
Yeah, and you go on your own path.
And as a director, you don't choose to take revenge अगर कोई actor थोड़ा सा like you know tantrum throw करता है सब.
नहीं, revenge to bomb.
Oh my God,
I
नहीं.
think all directors somehow subconsciously live out their revenge fantasies through their characters. they live vicariously through their characters.
Yeah.
सब कुछ हम actors से करवाते हैं.
And talking about you two, sizzling chemistry. And आप दोनों के characters काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. क्या बताना चाहेंगे? What's more in
आप
the
बताइए,
store?
आप
आप आपके
I
अच्छे
was
लग रहे हैं.
like-
मैं बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था.
अच्छा लग रहा था, मुझे भी अच्छा लगा. But what's more in the store?
What's
What's more in the store? What can we see? How are these characters going
Oh.
to evolve
you see?
through the movie?
You see two people who truly care about each other. You see two people who are very pragmatic and real. You see two people who, you know, when it comes to her character, she literally has to trust me with a life-threatening situation, and मैं बस इनके विश्वास के लिए मांगता हूँ. I said, just trust me, and everything will be okay. And she believes in me as a person, even though I have a criminal past. So you see two people who've taken a leap of faith, who are very realistic, and their relationship is entrenched in reality, and they're both working to live and working to survive. So there are no, you know, it's very real. Their emotions are real.
Wow. Crystal, in real life, क्या like would you be comfortable falling in love with someone who has a criminal history?
Okay.
Have you ever thought about it?
No, it's the first time I'm thinking about it, so I'm taking some time.
Yeah. Because
Why do you
प्यार
think
अंधा
about this
होता है.
often?
पता.
See, you know, my problem is-
Depends on the crime.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
अगर पता ही नहीं है, अगर पता ही नहीं है criminal है.
Of course,
Yeah.
I have been and I've always been in love with the person, the human that they are. So what they come from, what they do, what they were, it doesn't matter to me. I fall in love with the person for their soul, for the person that they are. So yes, eventually if I do find out, I may ignore it or see the better side of it or be like, okay, no, this person has changed, they've evolved. You know, you give everybody a chance because I don't think I was the same person 5 years ago or 10 years ago and that I am today. So why not give people a chance? I think, you know, if you see someone's genuine and they're trying to make a difference and live a better life, I would give a criminal a chance. Without knowing, I would give a criminal a chance.
What crimes he has committed. Well, I'm missing Ritesh over here. Ritesh
Yes,
Deshmukh.
yes.
We are all missing.
We all are, but he's like everywhere.
He's there.
Yeah,
he's
he's
there.
there.
With us. And through this film, the trailer, उनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में अगर मैं कहूँ तो कोई भी कैरेक्टर वो निभाता है मज़ा आ जाता है देखने में. आपको कितना मज़ा आया उनके साथ काम करने में? बिकॉज यू तो शेयर गुड फ्रेंडशिप विद हिम.
पिछली बार हमने हे बेबी में काम की थी 2007 में
Yes.
शायद, तो काफ़ी समय बीत गया था एंड यू नो लेकिन फिर इवन दो आई वाज अवे और यू नो हमारी फ्रेंडशिप बढ़ती गई. वी डिडंट लूज टच एंड वी एक्चुअली बिकेम मच क्लोजर आफ्टरवर्ड्स. सो I've shared lots of personal things with him about my life, and he knows lots of, and I know lots of personal things about his and his journey. So I was joyous working with him again. You know, with the whole team, in fact. You know, I mean, Cookie I've worked with in starting from Fida. Sanjay Gupta I've done Acid Factory with. So for me, you know, it was really an advantage because after coming back for so long, it was like I was amongst friends and family, and you know, it felt like a home production almost. So I had that comfort and that understanding and that respect, and that really helped me, you know, do what I have done in this film. So I thank my stars. I consider myself extremely lucky, and I'm very grateful.
Lucky.
Extremely lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's flaunting. Crystal.
No, that's her name in
That's
the
my
movie.
name in the film.
Yeah,
Lucky.
wow. They're promoting rightly.
Correct.
Do you have some screen space with him? Like,
With Ritesh?
Yeah.
Yes, of course I do. I have scenes with everyone, I
Yeah.
think.
wow.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
with me.
Yes, of course.
Only the climax.
Yeah.
Just like a
Yeah.
short.
I think she is the only one who has seen
I
that.
have
Yeah,
scenes
yeah.
with everyone. Like,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow. So how was
So-
it for you to work with Ritesh?
I, I mean,
No, I mean, let her finish and then answer.
I think it was amazing because I met him for a very brief time, whatever we did. And even in that, he was, you know, cracking some jokes, very nonchalant jokes. Like, you don't even realize that it's a joke till you're like, oh, okay, wait.
That's his style.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's his style. You don't even realize, you're just like, you're giggling after a while, you're like, what? But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And it's a very different character that he's playing. So I got to see a very intense side that I haven't even watched in the film. So I was lucky enough to see it firsthand.
Lucky enough, we get it. Priya, for you?
It was amazing. He's a fantastic actor, and I think he's even greater co-actor because he really supports his co-actors. I mean, in terms of rehearsals, in terms of you know, doing lines, and then I also believe, and so does Cookie sir, that he used to rehearse a scene. We never started off immediately after the readings. So he also likes to read in between the takes. We had a lot of scenes in the car while we were chasing or looking for our kid. So even in the car, we both used to rehearse our lines. So I think that just give and take became so natural because we both knew, and he allowed me to be who I wanted to be as a character, and that's very important, I feel. And it's also very important when you have a great co-actor who is really so honest and so emotionally correct on screen. You just have to react to his performance.
Correct.
And that's how he helps you enhance your performance. So I think it was wonderful working with Ritesh and so with Cookie sir. Maza aa gaya.
And
Kya
he's
baat
done an
hai.
amazing job in this film. You know, something very different for him as well, and the depth of that he's given, and the emotional depth he's given his character, and the inner conflict that he faces.
Wow. And as a
Yes,
husband, in real life, he gets praised for the kind of husband he
Yes.
is. The kind-
And also he's a father in real life. So
Yeah.
that aspect also, I think that emotion he has used very, very nicely in the film.
Yeah, क्या बात है. Okay, now we have a segment called as What the Comments. आपके ट्रेलर के नीचे कुछ comments लिखे थे. तो top 3 comments लेके आई हो. You have to react to that. Okay. So the first one is, sorry to all the women, I'm just reading out this, but men are equally like that. So yeah. Today's most of the women are betraying their husband after having child. They need 2 men in their life for her amusement.
Oh.
That's a,
No, I would say
it's a bullshit
it's,
comment.
yeah. And why are we talking only about women
Exactly,
here?
that's why I said
why
sorry
there are
women.
there are men betraying. So
I
I
think
think
This person
in the-
doesn't know what they're
it's
talking
new.
about.
Yeah.
Please, let's go
It's
to
a
the
new
Yeah.
thing for them that a woman did it. Men have been doing it for a while, I feel.
For the entire life.
So now this is like, what, a
years.
woman did it? No, but I think this is beep.
Yeah, but
What's beep?
The comment, it's like
It's
beep.
the-
Bullshit.
why are only women targeted all the time when it comes to cheating?
Yeah, I think you should watch the film. You'll know how unapologetic Tara is and how, why, like I said, why is she feeling that she needs to find love outside marriage? And if a woman is feeling that, then it's also a man's responsibility because marriage is 2 people's marriage. It's never one person's responsibility.
And it's vice
So-
versa. Even a man can feel
Yeah.
whatever a woman is
I
feeling.
mean,
so.
anyone in a
Yeah.
marriage, if the marriage is failing, then both of you are responsible for it.
Correct.
So
You
I
know,
don't think it's
both the
any one
couples
gender.
in this film, they're actually at 2 ends of the spectrum. While their relationship is really growing and blossoming, the other one is kind of breaking apart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's really, it tells you and tells this person that it works every way and both ways. So
Yeah.
I mean, stop looking at something through a funnel. You know, you have to get your head out of that funnel firstly and look at it from all perspectives. I mean, anyways, thank you for
But what is your
watching
the
the
trailer.
trailer, but yeah.
On this comment, I think it's a gross, ridiculous generalization.
like targeting women for extramarital
It's not even worth
Yeah.
discussing. I think
Yeah.
it's really
So the
stupid.
next comment is for you, Fardeen. Hey baby reunion, Fardeen पहले अक्षय के साथ and अभी रितेश के साथ, maybe next project में तीनों साथ में दिखेंगे.
True.
What is it? Hey baby.
Houseful 5.
Ooh!
And well, there's going to be Abhishek also in it. So my co-actor from Om Jai Jagdish. So it'll be it's Akshay and Ritesh are proving to be my lucky charms in some way. My film return was my theatrical film return was with Akshay. My web series film return is with debut actually is with Ritesh. So two people I've really enjoyed working with. I have a history with. So
Reunion again. Wow.
yeah.
Okay, and the last comment is, old season actors are way better than today's actors.
Fardeen, do you want to take
No, I don't think there's any merit in that. I mean, acting is acting. You know,
I mean, this person
Audiences-
must have their perspective.
I mean,
and good for
yes, I
them.
mean, the fans from my time who are loyal to me, who grew up watching my book, will probably say that
Are
about
abusing me, by the way.
So,
You are, Crystal Gamor, you have worked so...
No, they're abusing me because they're like, oh my God, how have you gotten to do these scenes? How have you gotten to be with him? He's our crush. I'm like, huh. I got lucky. But I keep saying lucky so much.
Kya baat hai? Okay, we have hashtag show. I'm going to mention few names and you have to give hashtag. Okay?
Okay.
The first one is Alia Bhatt.
Talent, hashtag talent for me.
I agree.
Yeah, I think I agree.
Okay. Deepika Padukone.
Elegance.
Hashtag mommy to be.
Yeah.
Mommy to
Mommy to be. Let's go with mommy to be.
Shraddha Kapoor.
Hashtag Stree.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
Ritesh Deshmukh.
Visport.
Yeah, hashtag
Excuse
Visport.
me.
Hashtag beautiful person.
Akshay Kumar.
Hashtag Khiladi.
Kareena Kapoor.
Hashtag my khud ki favorite ho.
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
What is it? No, what's the cat?
Pooh.
Yes,
Pooh.
yes, she's remembered by that. Hashtag Pooh. No,
What?
not Pooh. Hashtag, yeah.
Yeah, Pooh.
Yeah,
Pooh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Varun Dhawan.
What am I supposed to do? I don't know.
Hashtag dog lover.
Yeah.
I always see
Okay.
him posting.
Oh,
Yeah.
or dad to be.
Yeah.
That
No,
to be.
he's
no,
he's
yeah,
already-
no,
he's
don't
already
do
dad.
Oh,
The
dad.
The dog lover is a good one.
Dad. There are many dads.
Hashtag
Energy.
Who?
Ranveer Singh.
the
This
most
sport,
talented actor of his generation.
I think Ranveer Singh can be
Eclectic.
Visport.
This sport.
Yeah,
I
he's
think
this
this sport.
Yes,
Yeah,
hashtag
yeah.
this
So this sport. And lastly, Ranbir Kapoor.
Again.
Talent, powerhouse,
Yeah.
performer. Great,
Okay.
great
All these
actor.
names that you've
Hashtag.
taken, they all have one hashtag, which is just pure talent.
Yeah.
I mean, all of them are just such amazing actors and performers and just people.
Yeah.
Really.
Now,
Hashtag
please.
more power to it.
More power.
Yeah.
More power.
Can we have the buzzers, please?
And do what?
Rapid fire round.
Oh,
Okay,
God.
Bollywood
Yeah,
quiz. Okay.
Bollywood quiz.
Okay.
Oops.
Which
I
one are
had
you
the worst
choosing for
one.
these?
Well,
Okay.
let's go with that.
Okay. So complete the dialogue. एक चुटकी सिंदूर डैश
की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू रमेश बाबू
You got it. I said Mahesh Babu.
I think we should need to team up.
No, I'm in this team, you're that team now.
Okay.
We'll stay silent.
The next one is हम तुम में इतने छेद कर देंगे डैश
कि तुम्हें
पता भी नहीं
पता नहीं
चलेगा
चलेगा
कि सांस कहाँ से ले और पाने कहाँ से.
Okay. Name 3 thriller Bollywood movies.
Thriller.
thriller Bollywood movie.
3 Bollywood. Fardeen, you have to
We are one team.
participate.
Come on.
मेरी खुद की धोखा.
एक हसीना
तो याद है.
एक खिलाड़ी एक हसीना
एक
Yes, we got it. We won.
Okay.
एक मिला ना.
दो
एक
ही नाम
हसीना, एक
मिले ना.
खिलाड़ी and एक
एक और
दिलरुबा.
तीसरी चाहिए ना.
दिलरुबा.
Acid Factory.
दिलरुबा.
हाँ.
Acid Factory.
Okay. Which thriller movie plot revolves around a protagonist with short-term memory loss?
आमिर खान की कौन सी
Yeah.
पिक्चर?
Gajni.
Gajni.
I'm right.
Okay.
I pressed it for you.
Yeah.
An 8-year-old girl who plays matchmaker for a dad.
My God.
कुछ होता है.
The
Okay.
original was My God.
My girl. He was right also.
Bollywood की बात.
अच्छा, फिर
Okay, the last one is a man who cannot tie his own shoelace accidentally reveals his identity.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Oh.
शाहरुख खान.
कभी खुश.
Daima. Hrithik. Hrithik.
Hrithik Roshan,
Daima.
K3G.
She's dying. He's like Daima.
हाँ.
Yes.
Yeah, you got it.
I got it.
I mean,
We won.
We all
Praveen
won.
was like, why didn't you participate?
He's processing by the time we're hitting the buzzer.
I've been away too long. I have memory
No, but
lapses.
welcome back with a bang.
Thank you. I'll drink some
And
coffee as well.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Support कर दो बस.
Thank you so
बिल्कुल
much.
आप लोग कर दो प्लीज देख
हाँ.
के.
बिल्कुल. Please shout out to your film. तुमच्या अंदाजमध्ये
हमारी फिल्म saying it in Hindi, not even English and Marathi. हमारी फिल्म आ रही है विस्फोट on 6th of September on Jio Cinema. प्लीज आप सब लोग जरूर देखना.
Visport.